name is Bobbo for Tansi. I am from the Brandenburg Technical University of Cottbus, Germany. I was a presenter at the International Conference on Renewable and Non-Renewable Energy in Las Vegas, the United States of America. The conference was a very interesting one and a nice one, which brought together experts in the field of energy engineering from all over the world. It was a very interesting conference, and I am happy to be part of the conference, and I wish that for the next session we will have much more engineers coming for it, because it's a very good one.